So this is like paper. You see how it easily bends? And then we've also tried mountain tape to put on it, but it still keeps falling. And so now we're hanging with it like this until my husband can figure out a way to add it and it not be crazy. I don't know. It's really weird. And then I'm just I'm just now noticing you look at the arrow and it's actually kind of not helpful because an arrow can go up or an arrow can go down. So, but yeah, we know that. I think we know that it goes up, or maybe it's supposed to go down. No, I think we know that it goes up. But yeah, this keeps falling down, but other than that, we love it. The water pressure is amazing. But this thing